day in Linwood, Washington, doing a video record of this beautiful Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4. As you see here, this car mainly used for off-roading and work purposes. Nice, beautiful off-road tires. Manual transmission. There are some scratches and rock chips, as you see on the bed over here, and it was mainly used for off-roading in the greater Seattle area. So that's pretty normal. And it's being used for work regularly. It's a V6. Let's check the bed. As you see, pretty decent truck. There's no transmission or any mechanical issues, rather than having some off-road chips on it. As you see, beautiful, lifted, gorgeous engineership of Toyota. Let's see the interior. Open quick. See the original miles. It works, has navigation and everything. It's beautiful. Let's pop up the hood. Let's check what's down here. That nice, beautiful V6.